Yeah, back at it again. Back at it again.
Oh, hold on, what's that?
Back at it again. Only this guy. What's up, y'all? We back at it again with another one. Today we're actually doing work on the truck, and I need to put in this window. I guess I want to say it's not a window regulator, because that's the window regulator right here, but I need all this assembly to make the window go up and down. So the old one broke and I had to get another one. So I had this like this for like the last couple of months, and yeah, it's time for me to put this thing back together. It should be an easy fix. So yeah, while I'm here, I want to give a shout out to my boy from Sideways Garage. Thank you, Steven. I mean, I didn't get a chance to record you that day on everything he was doing, but I appreciate it because it helped me out to try to get this window to go up and down, and getting that part from you that I can't currently find from anybody else unless you go to the dealership. So you saved me a bunch of money. But let me get this installment. Let me go and get this stuff started, and I guess I'll show y'all what y'all need to use to what tools would you need, because I already took it off like I said. So it's like a half a video already been done, but putting it back in, I'll show y'all the whole installment. So let me put you on my the headpiece, and we get started from there. So I don't have you on my head yet, but as you can see, I'm using this to hold the window up. This is the old one. As you can see, the terminals or whatever, I guess that's what happened to it. Like water got in here and corroded it. So that's no longer good. This is the new one. So there goes our screws. I got a 10mm socket. Also have an 8mm socket, and I got this airflow mask cleaner for this button right here, so I can be able to clean off this terminal before I put it onto that one. Oh my god, please have enough. And here goes my door handle, and this is the little plate that goes onto the door, and the door panel is back there, guys. So what I'm gonna do is, we get down here, I'm gonna put back on this door handle. Okay, so this right here connects to your door handle, as you can see, somewhat. That's why. So what I'm gonna do is take this, put this all back in there, screw that down like so. Yep, bam. Just screw back in there. Put this in there right now while I'm thinking about it. Because if we don't do this now, I think I have to do this now. Yep, put it in there too. And bam, I open my door again. So let me tighten this down real quick. What you want to do is put it in here like so. I think what I'm gonna do is just like this. Slide it in there, turn. Make sure all your wiring's out the way. Make sure your window's all the way up like so. Okay, and the first thing you want to do is put it in your tab holes. So the way mine's is set up, it should be easy peasy. Okay, So you can see a hole right here. Hopefully you guys can see another hole right there. And then it should be another hole right down here. Same thing for the other side. Now I will say ahead of time, I don't know if this window regulator works. I hope and pray to God that this thing works. If it don't, I have another one in the back of my trunk, so I'm not too worried. I think I might tighten. Let's see, about these two. Yeah, I will tighten it up a little bit more. That's something that is not explained enough. I should test and see if that window regulator motor works or not. All right, guys, wish me luck. That's one. All right. Oh Lord. What's up?
What's up?
Nothing. What's good?
What's going on, Low&Slow Garage? What's up?
What's up? What's up?
What's going on?
Nothing.
Yeah, I see. You're on camera right now.
Yeah, you're on camera.
What up?
What up? Yeah, I see.
Camera.
That's right. Nothing. With no seatbelt though. With no seatbelt though.
Exactly.
What you up to today?
Here.
Huh?
You gonna be out?
Yeah.
Alright,
I'm doing video now. Come back through. Alright. Yo, I forgot to plug, guys. My bad. Look. But we good. This dashboard workout, I forgot to plug this up. Alright. So technically now I'm gonna drop the window. Should have put it down a little bit more. Let me drop the window down to right here. Well, I'm gonna do this first one and then I'll drop the window on the other side down to right there. Have one hand right here because that's one of the that's the bottom of the window. This thing will fall and break. See, easy. Fall right into that groove. Or the other one. Also right into the groove too. So I went and tightened it up with a 10mm wrench. Now I'm going to tighten down the rest of my bolts and put everything else back together. Haha! Found the problem. Look at it. Look. Yes! So, for future reference, guys, this right here has to be lined up and hooked in with this. If it's not, it's pushing out on the glass. It's going to cause this thing not to go up and down. So I had to take out all these bolts, seat it in here correctly with a screwdriver that I use for this hole, like so, to push it up so it can line up with this. Once I did that, because you gotta have two hands, do that, and then you gotta have a hand back here to grab that and pull it forward. Put a screw in here and go down. So I'm so happy and so blessed that works now. Now I have a working window. Let me put this all the way back up before it stops working. And I can get to this bolt now too. Alright guys, so since all that's done, let's hook up our manual switch. After we hook up our manual switch, then we go back there and get our door card and put all that back on. So Got the everything back together. Woohoo! And it works, my dudes. Look, working window again. If y'all only known for how many months. I ain't gonna lie, it's partly my fault though. Yeah, so it's back together. I didn't put in just tweeted because this shit don't work. So I have to get aftermarket for this, and this shit can go fucking bye-bye. But I have a spare one of these, so just in case it wants to go out again, save that for the near future. I also have that in I have a fuel pump, just in case, because these trucks are notorious for going out on bad fuel pumps. So we're gonna sit down for a minute. We're gonna do a little talking. Gonna update you guys on this car and what's going on. Currently, this car is back up and running. But like I said, this is my first time seeing this motor and everything else. Like he did a lot of work. I mean, for the most part. Let me put my hands in. Okay, so let me explain what happened. You know, the last video that I basically did. That's my first time seeing this. So the last video, what I basically did was I replaced the hubs on it. Everything was cool. I forgot. I was getting ready to leave out, and then I realized when I was last at her job, there was a puddle of oil. Come to find out, the oil filter was crushed and whatnot. So it was crushed so bad, I was trying to get it off, couldn't get it off, it wouldn't come out. So then it started continually leaking. Got it up the road. It cut off on me 2-3 times. Got it up the road, and the damn car first time cut off. Started to back up, let it drift. That's why I recorded it and picked it up for the next spot. Letting you guys know that put the last little bit of oil where I got down there. It was like, as soon as I put it in the car, it came right back out where the oil filter was at. Apparently me and my mother went out there Saturday before I did that video for her hubs, and she hit a little small pothole, causing that to hit the oil filter and the oil pan. It didn't crack the oil pan, but it sure did mush up the oil filter enough where you couldn't get it off. So it's that much said, yeah, it's kind of a little bit our fault, that part. But this part right here is not our fault. So my mother gets it towed back home. The next day another tow man takes it. She decides to take it over to Musclemen over on Route 40. These, excuse my language, bitches, do not take your car there. I put a sign on the window before they towed the car away. Do not drive car because there's no oil in the motor. Oil filter is cracked. The tow man dropped it off. They took the car and drove it right on in to the Muscleman dealership. It hydro locked. The motor did. They got the filter off, thinking that we get the filter off, we put oil back on in, it should be good. No, it was done. Because they drove it in there with no oil. We get it towed back home. We called up the street. My father called the guy he know up here at Cooperman's. Shout outs to you guys. Thank you so much for helping my mother out and fixing her car. And they basically fixed the car, replaced the whole motor and everything for a small fee of $3,500. She paid it straight cash and got it all done, and that's that. But the saying of this, what I'm trying to say is, do not take your car, if you live out here in Randallstown, over by security, do not take your cars to Muscleman dealership on Route 40. They're a bunch of bitches. They don't give a flat shit about your car. They will drive that shit in as is. Don't care if you put a sticker in the window, whatever, and fuck your shit up and give it right back to you. But on that note, we're going to end this video off on a good positive note. Both cars are back. Well, one car is back, And the truck, I'll talk to you about that in the next video. So you guys take care. Peace. See you for the next installment. We'll be working on the 240.
You know we had to go shopping one more time, right? I think we forgot something.
Y'all know me, cause all I do is ride around the big coupe. Y'all know me, cause all I do is ride around the big coupe. Y'all know me, cause all I do. Y'all know me, cause all I do. Y'all know me, y'all know me, y'all know me, y'all know me.
No, we out here with the Low&Slow.
Hey, hey, squad.
Yo, what it do? What it do? We out here.